guys, welcome back to another upload. Thanks for hitting that play button. I hope you guys are having a great day out there. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. When you hit that like button, guys, it helps out the YouTube algorithm to let this video get shown out to more people. Let's get into this video, guys. This is something I've been wanting to talk about. I know I've said in the past that I didn't want to talk about the ZR1 until we got some more concrete information. Well, we're getting more and more information coming out about the CA ZR1. So I'm going to start to feature a lot of this information on my channel from now until we actually see the reveal. So now let's get into this video. So right now, as you can see on your screen, it's talking about the prototype C8 Corvette ZR1s are back on the streets. So they've got these cars back on the streets. They're out testing them. They're taking them to Germany. They're taking them to different parts of the United States, Colorado, everywhere. And as you can see here, it says for a second, a set of photos, the Corvette engineers appear to be gathering at their favorite eatery, the McDonald's. Freaking awesome. It says, if you guys remember, the first C8 Corvette sighting occurred at a McDonald's in Cadillac, Michigan. And then on top of that, it talks about back in 2008, they shared a moment when Corvette engineers at Nürburgring drove a new C6 ZR1 to McDonald's in Germany. That's pretty crazy. Wow. But it's pretty cool that these cars are on the road. And remember, this engine is going to be labeled as the LT7, guys. It is a V8, obviously. The engine is suspected to have, now this is rumor, we don't know 100%, but it's expected to have the twin turbo 5.5 liter V8 with twin turbos and a VVT and an AFM technology, according to the most recent leaks. But I don't know, man, that is crazy. It kind of sucks that a ZR1 is gonna have active fuel management. Now, dude, I don't know. It's kind of weird that it would have active fuel management going from V8 to V4 mode. That's kind of weird. I kind of know maybe the reason why is because they want to save on fuel due to GM as a whole has to have a certain amount of vehicles that meet a certain MPG. And if they don't, they can be fined by the government. So I kind of understand that. But let's take a look at some of these pictures, guys. Let's break some of this stuff down. As you can see here, these ZR1s look a little bit different. The ZR1 on the right has dive planes. The ZR1 on the left doesn't have any dive planes. And then if you look on the rear quarter panels of the ZR1s, there's a little vent back there. Right behind the inlet, there's a little vent. I wonder what that is for. That may be for cooling. Let's scroll up a little bit. Yeah, right here, guys, you can see it right there behind the air inlet. You can see another vent right there. Pretty cool. You can see that this is ZR1 on the right. It's probably going to be equipped with the ZTK package because it has a big wing. And these wheels, oh my God, they're actually showing the wheels. That is pretty cool, guys, pretty cool. Scroll up some more. Yeah, look at this, guy. So it's gonna have the same rear end as the Z06. It's gonna have the same center exiting exhaust, just like the Z06. Same vents, like the Z06. But down here on the bottom, where the rear diffuser is, it looks a little bit different than the Z06. I'm noticing that. Wow. I only can speculate that it's for more cooling and to get that dirty air out of the back of the car. And here's some more close-ups of the front of the ZR1s. Nice, nice. So it does have the front splitter, but also on the hood, guys, as you can see, it has like an inlet on the hood. Now, this could be for cooling. It also could be for air to be funneled through that front bumper up onto that hood, and as the air hits the bottom portion of the windshield, it creates downforce on the front of the vehicle. And it also could double, like the C7s, The C7s had the same vents in the front, but that was for downforce as well as cooling, because you got to remember the radiator was right there on the C7. So as that air entered the front bumper, it would pass over the radiator, and then that hot air would go out on the hood and then hit the bottom of the windshield, like I was saying, and create that extra downforce, but also cooling for the vehicle as well. This is going to be an epic vehicle. Epic. And as you can see, this ZR1 on the left right here, you can just see right behind that air inlet, there's a vent right there, like I mentioned earlier. Scroll up a little bit more. Oh, this is a nice picture of one with that huge ZTK package wing on the back. Nice, nice, wow. Wow, that wing is huge. For some reason, it looks a little bit smaller than the wing that I saw earlier when they were testing the cars at the Nürburgring in Germany, though. But these wheels look fantastic, guys. Scroll up to the next picture. All right, guys. Yeah, check this out. So as you can see, they have a red arrow here, and they're talking about that upper air duct as well on top of the rear deck. Wow. That is pretty cool, man. I love it. I love it, GM. I love it. The engineers are just taking it to that next level with the ZR1. And it says right here that the ZR1 should be a 2025 model year car. So, man, we should be getting some information soon, man. Soon. I would say either by summer or late summer into the end of the year, we should be hearing some information here soon about the ZR1. You know, like a reveal video. So yeah, nice article, guys. Nice article. We are getting closer because they're starting to take these ZR1s and test them more and more. So, man, hopefully we should be hearing something soon. All right, guys, the next ZR1 news I want to talk about, as you can see here, this is right on Corvette Blogger, guys. It says rumor. First EX-VN 2025 Corvette ZR1s completed at Bowling Green Assembly Plant. Now, as you guys know, the Bowling Green Assembly Plant shut down the tours. So we all were speculating about, you know, they could be building new cars, building new projects. The reason GM and Chevrolet said they were shutting down the assembly plant tours because they were tooling up the assembly plant, you know, doing some different things, you know, and they didn't want us to be able to see what was going on, the general public. But what we were thinking, the car enthusiasts in us, we were thinking that, hey man, they might be building the ZR1s, or they could be getting rid of the wall of buttons, trying to do a mid-model refresh. They don't want us to see what they're doing during the tours, so they had to shut it down. But I was thinking the whole time that they're probably tooling up, they're probably trying to build some ZR1s. And look at this. Rumor has it, they have built the first ZR1 in Bowling Green, Kentucky at the assembly plant. This is freaking fantastic news, guys. Fantastic. The first C8 ZR1 at the assembly plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky. As you can see here, it says the source tells friends at the meeting informed to speculate no longer, as the first EX-VN Corvette ZR1 has said to be completed on February 13th, guys. This would be the first ZR1 prototype to be completed on the actual assembly line and not somewhere behind closed doors like current groups of cars currently being tested. An EX-VN means the model is an experimental prototype that will eventually be destroyed, which sucks. I wish they would put it in a museum, put it in the MCM museum. in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Put it right there in the museum, the Corvette Museum. It'll be fantastic. Just drive it right across the street and put it in the museum. And then that way, whenever we want to take a look at the first experimental Corvette ZR1, we can see it. It's right there in the museum. I think that's what they should do. I think they should preserve it, not crush it. And down here, the third paragraph down, it says the Corvette ZR1 is rumored to utilize the Z06's 5.5 liter motor equipped with twin turbos, guys, that will provide somewhere around 800 to 850 horsepower. That is freaking crazy, bro. How, dude? And you got to get that power to the ground. You don't want to hit the gas and it just spin in the rear wheels. This car's got to stick, man. So, man, I mean, that's the whole reason we went from the front engine platform to the mid engine platform, so we can get more traction. But they're adding more horsepower, a lot more horsepower. So this is going to be interesting with the ZR1 to see what it actually can do, especially under full acceleration. It says a new engine will be designated as the LT7, and unlike the naturally aspirated LT6 in the Z06, the new motor will have the variable valve timing and active fuel management technology. These details were contained in a leak of the motor within Chevy's own parts catalog last October. Wow, that is pretty cool, guys. And it says here, so far as we know, the ZR1 is still on track for a 2025 model year release. Ooh, this is gonna be awesome. I cannot wait, guys. I cannot wait. So, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. You guys stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next upload. Peace. Keep watching Gary's Rides. Where you going? Keep watching Gary's Rides. Keep watching Gary's Rides.